Turkish Navy launches UAV and helicopter carrier TCG Anadolu. The Turkish Navy received its largest vessel on April 10 during a ceremony attended by President Recep Tayyip Erdoğan, Defense Minister Hulusi Akar, and top military brass. The amphibious assault ship TCG Anadolu is Turkey's first landing platform dock. Erdoğan said the military will deploy heavy helicopters, drones, and light attack aircraft from the vessel. Its fully loaded displacement is 27,436 tons, and it measures 231 meters, 758 feet, in length, 32 meters in width, and 58 meters in height. The ship's primary purpose is to serve as a platform from which the TB3 armed drone and the Kızılelma combat UAV can launch. Both aircraft were developed and built by the privately owned Turkish drone maker Baykar. Erdoğan said that the TCG Anadolu would also help with military and humanitarian operations around the world. Turkey on Monday unveiled an amphibious assault ship built to carry light aircraft and military drones. The TCG Anadolu, which is 231 meters long and 32 meters wide, can accommodate combat helicopters and military drones, as well as up to 94 vehicles, including 13 tanks. Turkish Bayraktar TB3 and Kızılelma drones and the light Hurjet fighters will be able to take off from and land on the ship, said President Recep Tayyip Erdoğan, who is campaigning for re-election in May. Erdoğan said that the new vessel would allow Turkey to carry out military and humanitarian operations in the four corners of the world if necessary. We see this ship as a symbol that will reinforce our position as a leader in its region and a voice in the world in the century of Turkey. TCG Anadolu, which was put into service, is the world's first warship in its field, where the largest and heaviest helicopters and unmanned aerial vehicles can land and take off. NATO member Turkey has significantly developed its defense industry in recent years, with Ankara, in particular, vaunting the success of its combat drones. Drones developed by the Baykar company, co-run by one of Erdoğan's sons-in-law, have been used in Azerbaijan, Libya, and Ukraine. Kyiv used them in the first hours of Russia's invasion last year. Turkey has repeatedly tried to act as a mediator between Kyiv and Moscow. China last year unveiled its first military drone carrier, reflecting the growing importance of pilotless aircraft in modern warfare. Also on Monday, the president attended the welding ceremony of the 3 MILGEM corvettes commissioned by the Defense Procurement Office (SSB). The MILGEM project is focused on providing patrol and anti-submarine warfare capabilities at sea. Turkey officially began constructing its first landing platform dock in 2016, when Erdoğan was already talking about production plans for an aircraft carrier and a nuclear-powered vessel. He has also previously expressed hope that the program for landing platform docks would be the first step toward producing the most elite aircraft carrier. In 2013, Turkey announced it selected the local shipyard Sedef for its LPD program. The company partnered with Spain's Navantia. The TCG Anadolu can carry a battalion-sized unit of 1,200 personnel, 8 utility helicopters, and 3 drones. It also can transport 150 vehicles, including battle tanks. The original delivery time was 5.5 years after Turkey kicked off the effort, by the end of 2021, meaning the schedule fell behind by 2 years. Turkey intended to fly its future F-35 fighter jets from the ship, but the U.S. removed the country from the multinational Joint Strike Fighter program after Ankara acquired Russian-made S-400 air defense systems. Turkey has since switched its primary aerial asset on the TCG Anadolu from the F-35 to the Kızılelma. The vessel cost Ankara more than $1 billion, although officials have declined to reveal the exact price. Turkey will be the third operator of this ship type after Spain and Australia.